Why not?
These aren't these UV fish washers. What the fuck you get us got this for? Here, porpoise. Come here, dolphin. Look at this guy. How the hell is he going sideways? The fuck's wrong with your boat? Hey! Are we going sideways? Well, kind of. We're broken too. I don't know. I think he's drunk.
Nothing like a drunk captain.
Nothing like when these fucking dolphins get close enough. I'm gonna fucking do a dive and stab. How old is it? Is it at least a 100-pound test?
Probably more than that.
Fucking righteous.
So, show me an example of your dive and stab.
I wasn't gonna do it right here, but I will. Gonna do something like this. Give me a little strength, but I don't lose it.
Just don't let go.
Here's the fishing string. This shark tries to get me.
I'll pull you in.
Alright, this is what it's gonna look like. You got your yaw?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Like if there was a dolphin, yeah, like step back a little bit just in case it's, like if I saw him, I'm like, dolphin, fuck! I would've got him!
Hey, Dax, crank up the boat, let's go!
Grab my hook! Grab my hook, man.
Alright, you ready?
Hook him. Yeah.
Let me grab you by your butt. You got it, son. Put them arms out. There you go.
Yap him, son. Yap him.
Man, that felt good, I bet.
Oh, fuck you.
You're red as hell.
Maybe something like that.
Something like that?
Yeah.
I would love to see you diving and stab a shark.
I saved the gate station sunglasses and everything.
You almost backed yourself right back off the boat.
And I would have lost the gate station. Woo! How the fuck that dolphin up?
Oh, I got that.
Did you really? Oh yeah, Corey, you like to go fishing. This is what you do offshore? Dude, I'm on working slump. You're not so good. Oh, move my back off! Look at backflips off a boat with a get the fucking get a goddamn dog.
It's going on YouTube.
Woo! Right?
Nah.
Feels really good out there, dude.
I bet.
Fuck, this is amazing. Wish I would've got some like a big jelly on the jump.
That thing would have ate you alive. Hey, the porpoises are back.
Yeah. Don't tell me that. Just about fucked their day up.
Hey, here's a jelly, gaff him.
That's that hot girl right? Hey, that's the hot girl rock? The boat?
Yeah.
That's it.
Woo-hoo! Whoa, son. That's going on YouTube.